Nagsisimula na ang umaga.
Simula ng saya, kaya sama ka na.
Dito lamang po sa Boy.
And Chris!
Merry Christmas! Merry, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Yeah! Hi, Merry Christmas!
Hello, hello.
Merry Christmas.
Maraming salamat.
Cute ka, Jed. You're so cute. And it's because you're beside Arnie.
Welcome to our new home. First day of Christmas. Hi.
Beautiful, Jed.
Maraming salamat. With Jed, with Christian, Lani, Santo Domingo Male Choir. Good morning. Good morning.
Boy, tinan mo.
Six-part Invention Band. Hello, good morning.
I'm sure
Thank you.
Agaw is so tinan mo. Violet. It's
Ganda.
so nice.
Ganda. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay inspiration.
Recycle your old clothes.
It really looks wonderful.
It's the most exciting day of December.
Wait,
Not the most
we
of
have
the
to start
year.
with an intriga.
What?
What's your heart?
My
Just
heart?
moved on.
Kumusta ang iyong puso?
Remember, boy, kasi we had both of them.
Ayaw.
Noong una si Rachel Ann, tapos diba dumating din dito si Gab. Kumusta ka na? May bago na.
I am okay. Wala namang bago.
Are you dating anybody?
No, I'm spending time with my family and getting closer to God kasi Christmas.
That's good.
Correct.
So I'm good. I'm very
No,
good.
let me correct
Okay.
myself. This is not the most important day of December. This is the first day. Because
Correct.
the most important day is December 25.
Yeah.
The birthday of our Lord. Okay, so you're happy.
Yes.
Itong dalawa naman, masaya ba kayong dalawa?
Yes,
Sobra.
sobra.
Sobra dahil magkasama kayo.
Ha? Masaya
Tagal
ba?
ko nga hindi nakita to eh.
Okay. Dapat magkita kayo ng madalas.
Oh,
Alam
yeah.
mo, I start my day every day talaga listening to your Christmas song.
Akala ko sabi ka, I start my day by wishing na sana magkatuloy na silang
Every
dalawa.
day talaga, promise.
That's good.
Jed.
Okay.
You can ask my entire household. Habang nagkakape ako, ikaw ang pinapakinggan ko. You're really my favorite.
Maraming salamat. Umpisa pa lamang ito ng ating umaga. Christian, La Arnie, Jed, thank
Boy,
you.
pakopya mo to bagay
Ganda.
sa'yo.
Ang ganda talaga.
Mamaya, fit natin.
Pag-usapan natin, Christian. Okay, maraming salamat. We'll see you later.
Bonggang-bongga tayo.
Yes. Bongga.
Thank you ka.
BK, dito tayo sa gitna daw eh.
No.
BK, ito bang bago dahil bago ang ating bahay?
Yes.
May bago tayong portion ng tawag ay BK.
So, ang
It can be
ano,
what? Bright Kids. It can be Babalik Kami. It can be
basta, madami.
Basta.
Every day
Ngayon,
madidiscover
bongga
nyo
kami.
kung ano. Yes, because, boy, let's take the opportunity to say thank you very, very much po sa PMPC for awarding us the 22nd PMPC Awards as Best Celebrity Talk Show and
Best Celebrity Talk Show Host.
Let's take a bow.
Let's take a bow.
Thank you
Maraming
very
salamat.
much.
Pero nais lamang namin magpasalamat sa lahat sa inyo. Our cameramen, our staff. Dapat may ganun ang camera eh.
Dapat,
Thank you.
oo.
Maraming salamat. You are the guys who make this show happen. Thank you.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Okay. So, marami pa, mga kaibigan, hindi lamang po Boy and Chris at hindi lamang po kami ni Chrissy ang nagwagi kagabi sa Philippine Movie Press Club Star Award. Marami rin tayong mga kapamilya na nanalo. Panoorin po natin ito.
Nakaka-overwhelm, of course, because first time ko nanalo as Best Drama Actor last year. Yung sa single performance naman, wala ako dito. So sabi ko, nominate ulit tayo, so I'll make it a point na pumunta, manalo matalo, para magbigay pa sa salamat sa PMPC.
But the good Lord knows that I thank Him for each and every blessing that He gives me.
Every time na makakatanggap ako ng awards sa PMPC, iba yung pakiramdam. Mas, kumbaga, talagang espesyal na espesyal.
Maraming salamat po mula sa Going Bulilit.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa PMPC na recognize nila yung style ko. And for sure, lalo kong pagbubutihin yung pagsasalita ko, yung pag-host ko, yung trabaho ko.
Nandito ako para supportahan ng Best Actress ko. So, congratulations!
Mas ma-motivate ako. Thank you. Salamat.
Narito ang aming mga trophies, mga kaibigan. Alam mo, Chrissy, kagabi sabi ko, maraming salamat sa mga nanay na talagang nanonood po ng Boy and Chris at sa kanilang mga asawa na buong galak na tumatabi sa kanilang mga misis pag nanonood ng Boy and Chris at sa mga bagets na nakikibonding tuwing umaga sa kanilang mga magulang habang pinapanood po ang Boy and Chris. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat. Ngayon,
Thank you, thank you.
we have a winner. We have a winner with us.
You know, he's so cute with his hair now. I
he-
love his haircut.
He has always been...
Yes, he
has
looks fresh.
always been gorgeous. Mga
And we
kaibigan,
promise no intriga. It's a Christmas gift to him.
No, nobody's gonna ask anything
Wala,
about
because we
anything.
love him.
We do.
But knowing how daldal he is, he's the one who's going to tell us. Even
Okay.
without us asking.
The Concert King, Martin Nievera.
Thank you. Good morning. Merry
Good
Christmas.
morning.
Hi, guys. See you on Sunday.
I love the haircut.
Good morning, Merry
Good morning,
Christmas.
good morning.
Stay
We're
here.
right in the middle. Okay.
Merry
Beautiful
Christmas.
set.
Yes, you look great.
This is great.
This is
Nice,
great.
who cut your
Nice
hair?
to see you on TV again. Who cut my hair so long?
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. December 1 is important. There's no 25 without a 1. So you're
That's
right the
right.
first time. Don't correct yourself. You just
You
want to
start
know.
somewhere, okay?
Exactly. 1 is a good place to start.
Mga kaibigan, umpisa pa lamang po ito ng ating selebrasyon ngayong umaga. Dito lamang po sa Boy
And Chris!
That's it.
Nice.
Nice. Give a chance here.